This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating a routed audio path so Roblox can accept YouTube as a microphone. Install a virtual audio cable and set it as your default playback device. This captures browser audio. Once done, open YouTube and play the track so it routes into that cable. Make sure Windows recognizes the cable as both default device and default communications device. You do this because Roblox accepts mic input, not system output. Routing converts the player output into a mic feed others can hear. Now you tell Roblox to use the routed audio. Open Roblox avatar or settings, go to voice/audio, and select the virtual audio cable for microphone or input. Next, turn off aggressive noise suppression or echo cancellation if it cuts out music, because those filters target constant tones. Then balance volumes, lower YouTube/browser output, and raise Roblox mic input until levels are healthy but not clipping. Once balanced, test in a private server or with a friend to confirm music is audible and clear. Finally, join the Roblox voice channel, unmute, and verify that the virtual cable is active as your microphone. You should tell listeners to confirm levels, adjust YouTube volume and Roblox mic gain as needed. Use a playlist or loop for continuous music and avoid abrupt stops. If others hear echo, shorten speaker distance and use push-to-talk. If nothing transmits, check Windows microphone privacy. Ensure the virtual cable is selected in both system and Roblox, and match sample rates between devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.